Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Love. If you haven't subscribed, go do so right now. Don't forget to like and share this video. Alright, today's the 25th, so you should have about $25 in your jar or in your bank account. If you have more, that's great. If you have less, that's fine, but definitely try to catch up, and I will check with you guys next week. Alright, I'm going to be talking about deferred payment. I wanted to talk about it because it's a term that we've been hearing a lot lately due to the crisis that we're going through. So I wanted to talk about it, and it's a complex subject, so I'm probably going to do like multiple videos on it. So today this is just going to be like a definition type of video and give you guys different type of examples. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so deferred payment. So I have two definitions for you guys. So the first one is, so it's a loan arrangement in which the borrower is allowing you to start making payment at a specific time in the future. So basically it's instead of you paying the entire money up front, so they are agreeing to let you pay in a specific amount of time. Okay, so an example would be, so let's say you need a computer. You need a computer, and the computer, it costs about $1,000, okay? But you don't have $1,000. You only have like $500 in your bank account. So you're like, you know what? I have $500 in my bank account. I don't want to take the entire $500. Let me take $3 out of it, and let me see if I can get the computer for $300. So you go into the store, the computer store. You go, and then you see the computer. Of course, you check the reviews. Great reviews. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 for reviews. And then you're talking to the salesman, and then you're talking to them. You're like, oh my God, I love this computer, and he's telling you this is the best computer. Everybody loves it, and then you tell him, you know what? I only have $300. I want to take it home. Are there any options? I know it's $1,000, but what are my options? I'm like, oh yeah, don't worry about it. You can open an account with us, or they'll tell you like, oh, you can open a credit card with us, and then they'll give you like a year or so to pay off the remaining amount interest free. Okay, so that's usually how it goes. So so then you go, you open the account. You ask questions. Are you guys going to be charging me interest? Be like, no. You have a year to pay the remaining $700. You don't worry about it. And then you take your computer home, happy. So when that happens, so when they tell you, oh, you can open an account, you really have to ask questions. You don't just go and open the account. First question would be, are you guys going to charge me interest? Because you don't want to end up paying more for something that you don't want to pay, like, let's say you don't want to pay $1,300 for something that is $1,000. That is something for $1,000. One, are you charging me interest? If so, when are you charging? Are you like, usually they give like 6 months to a year to pay the money off interest free. But you know, some other places they might ask you to pay interest. So first you ask them, okay, are you guys going to charge me interest? If so, when? So that you know, because you don't wanna go and open the account and regret. And also when you do, let me just break down so the transaction really. So when you go, you open that account. So it's usually with a third party. So what the third party is doing, they're lending you the money to purchase a computer, and then for you to pay them back. Okay, so the company that is lending you the money, they make the money by charging you interest. So that's when you don't pay on time, they're charging you that interest. So that's why you have to know for how long you have it interest free to make the payments, and so that, because you don't want to pay interest. Well, at least I don't know about you. I'm just kidding. Okay, so personally, I've been to stores and they'll offer me deals like that, and I've never I always decline them because to me, I don't want to add more people that I owe to my list. I would use my credit card, but I know not everybody could do that. So I would just use my credit card because I don't want to owe A, B, C. I like just owe one person or two, five max, no more than five. So I would just buy it on my credit card and pay it off. But I know not everybody have that option. So if you really need to accept the option that you are referring that they're giving you, definitely ask them questions. And also, guys, if you've been to a store and you've opened an account with them and I don't know, like that's how you buy some stuff, definitely comment below, like, how was the experience? Was it good for you? Like, did they charge you interest? How long did they give you? Stuff like that. Okay. Alright, my second example, guys, or definition really. So this one is saying that deferred payments are payments that are completely and partially postponed due to financial crisis or financial difficulty. So a great example for that would be, let's say you are a college student, right? So you don't want to take any loans out because you wanna graduate debt free. So you're trying to pay off your tuition. So so then you go and you're like, they're like, oh yeah, tuition is due September 1st, and you're like, oh my god, I don't have that money. So they'll tell you, oh yeah, that's fine, you can set up payment plans with us, guys. So what happened is the university was expecting the payment September 1st, but because you cannot pay it because you don't have the money, they can give you up until December 1st to pay it off. So now they are expecting that money December 1st. Alright, so they give you, like, I don't know, the entire semester to pay it off. I know a lot of people are doing that now because student loans are a killer after you graduate, especially when you don't start making the money that you thought you were gonna start making, and then you have the loans that you have to start paying. A lot of people are trying to pay out. I know it's hard, but some people are doing that. If you are, comment below. Share your experience with us. My third one, so it's not really a definition, but it's like, okay, so how does it work, you know? So let's say you already, so the third one is it's for people that already have the loan. So you already have your car loan or your mortgage, or I don't know, like any type of loan, and boom, crisis 2020 happened. You lost your job, you've been laid off, so you can't make those payments anymore. So what do? Do you stop making payments? No. So what do? You call your bank or whoever's loaning you the money. You tell them, how do I defer on my you request a loan deferment. So basically you let them know about your situation, and then once they agree with it, you can stop making payment. You don't just go and stop making payments, because let's be honest, a lot of people are still working from home, and there are a lot of essential workers. So how would your bank or the financial institution that is loaning you the money know that you're not working? So you definitely have to let them know, and then they have to agree to it. And when you call them, first question you have to ask them, if I defer on my I don't know, mortgage or car loan, when are you guys expecting the payments? Because you can defer on it today, and then you defer on it for like 5 months, and then on the 6th month they require you to pay all those 5 months that you've missed, which is crazy. But that's why you have to ask them. You have to ask them that question, because you don't want to do something that you regret. Alright, so that's pretty much what I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, comment below, and if you want to share anything, definitely comment below. I will be checking my comments, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and if you haven't subscribed, go do so right now. Thank you guys. Bye.